Are you tired of financial struggles and dreaming of a life of abundance? It's time to take action and fix the 10 common problems that might be holding you back from achieving wealth and financial success. In this video, we'll explore these issues and provide you with practical solutions to help you on your journey to riches. Achieving financial prosperity is a goal many aspire to, but it requires more than just dreams and wishes. To truly become wealthy, you must address specific challenges and make informed decisions. In this video, we will delve into the 10 common problems that often hinder people's wealth-building journeys. By the time you finish video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to overcome these obstacles and pave your way to riches. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 1. Lack of financial education, the importance of financial literacy. A critical distinction between the wealthy and others lies in their financial acumen. Without a strong grasp of money management, investments, and financial planning, amassing wealth becomes an uphill battle. Devote your time to mastering personal finance, and you'll pave the road to financial success. Educate yourself on budgeting, investing, and wealth-building strategies. Whether it's reading books, attending financial seminars, or consulting with experts, the knowledge you gain will empower you to make informed decisions. Optimize your financial resources, and ultimately increase your chances of achieving financial prosperity. In the journey toward wealth, financial education is the compass that leads to brighter financial horizons. 2. Living beyond your means, the dangers of overspending. Exceeding your income with expenses is a guaranteed path to perpetual debt and financial strain. Constructing a budget and adhering to it while trimming superfluous spending is imperative. By living within your means, you establish a financial safety net that enables savings and investments for future goals. Avoiding the allure of impulse purchases and cultivating responsible spending habits are paramount. This prudent financial approach ensures you not only escape the debt cycle but also steadily accumulate wealth over time. 3. Neglecting to invest, the power of compound interest. While saving money is a commendable beginning, the true potential for wealth creation lies in investing. Failing to invest means overlooking significant opportunities to build wealth. Gain a fundamental understanding of investment principles, whether in stocks, real estate, or alternative assets, and witness the growth of your financial portfolio over time. Investing allows your money to work for you, potentially generating substantial returns that can outpace inflation and savings account interest rates. By embracing investment as a financial strategy, you can harness the power of compound growth and secure a brighter financial future with the potential for significant wealth accumulation. 4. Fear of risk, embracing risk for reward. Accumulating wealth often necessitates a willingness to take calculated risks. Don't allow the fear of potential losses to hinder you from exploring lucrative opportunities. Instead, focus on informed decision-making and risk management. Educate yourself about the risks associated with various investments and strategies. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk, and consider seeking advice from financial professionals. By embracing risk as an integral part of wealth building, you open doors to growth and financial prosperity. 5. Lack of a clear financial plan, setting goals and a strategy. Navigating life without a well-defined financial plan is akin to sailing without a compass. To chart a course toward financial success, set specific financial goals and construct a roadmap to reach them. This plan imbues your journey with direction, fostering focus and motivation. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or starting a business, a comprehensive financial plan outlines the necessary steps to achieve your objectives. 6. Not diversifying investments, spreading your wealth. Putting all your financial eggs in one basket is risky. Concentrating all your financial assets in a single investment avenue can be perilous. Mitigate risk and enhance potential returns by diversifying your investments across a range of assets. Spreading your resources across various options, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and more, helps reduce vulnerability to market fluctuations. Consulting a financial advisor can aid in creating a well-balanced and diversified portfolio tailored to your financial objectives and risk tolerance. 7. Procrastination, taking action today. Procrastinating on financial decisions can prove costly in the long term. Initiate your savings and investments at the earliest opportunity to harness the power of compounding returns. Time is your most precious asset in building wealth. By starting early, even with modest contributions, your money has more time to grow exponentially. 8. Ignoring tax strategies, minimizing tax liability. Taxes can significantly impact your wealth if you lack a well-structured tax strategy. Investigate tax-efficient investment choices and contemplate seeking advice from a tax professional. By doing so, you can optimize your financial situation, minimize tax liabilities, and retain more of your hard-earned money for wealth building. A tailored tax strategy can encompass various strategies, such as tax-efficient investments, deductions, and credits, ensuring you maximize your financial resources while staying in compliance with tax regulations. 9. Failing to adapt, flexibility in financial planning. Economic conditions are dynamic, demanding that your financial strategy evolves in response. It's crucial to periodically assess and adapt your financial plan to ensure it aligns with your wealth-building objectives. Regular reviews enable you to stay on course and make necessary adjustments to account for changing circumstances. Whether it's revising your investment portfolio, updating your budget, or re-evaluating your financial goals, staying flexible and proactive in your financial planning ensures that you remain resilient and effective in pursuing your wealth objectives, regardless of shifting economic conditions. 10. Lack of patience, the importance of long-term vision. Wealth accumulation is a marathon, not a sprint. Avoid the temptation to seek quick riches through speculative investments. Instead, focus on long-term, sustainable strategies that will steadily grow your wealth. Achieving wealth and financial success is within your reach if you're willing to address the 10 common problems that may be holding you back. By acquiring financial knowledge, living within your means, investing wisely, and being patient, you can transform your financial future. Start today, and you'll be on the path to riches. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing information, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.